Building a fortress. Safeguarding your marriage, the specter of divorce casts a long shadow on many relationships. Statistics paint a sobering picture, with divorce rates hovering around 40 to 50% for first marriages. However, statistics don't tell the whole story. Strong, fulfilling marriages are built, not guaranteed. Here are key strategies to fortify your union. 1. Knowledge empowers. Understand risks. Explore factors that can negatively impact marriages, like marrying young or with unresolved emotional issues. Learn about infidelity's dynamics and how to navigate it if needed. Identify success factors. Research psychological and personal traits that contribute to successful marriages. Learn about communication tools and conflict resolution techniques. Utilize resources like workshops or couples counseling. 2. Nurture your relationship. Communication is key. Practice active listening, where you truly understand your partner's perspective. Invest in quality time. Dedicate time for shared experiences, fostering intimacy and connection. Shared vision. Discuss individual dreams and create a roadmap for shared goals, both short-term and long-term. Boundaries and flexibility. Establish healthy boundaries while remaining flexible to adapt to changing life circumstances. Keep the spark alive. Maintain physical intimacy through touch and expressions of affection. 3. The power of commitment. Commitment isn't a feeling, it's a conscious choice. It's a decision to be present, work through problems, and prioritize your relationship. It's about staying true to your vows in good times and bad. 4. Taking responsibility. Self-work is essential. Address your own emotional baggage and insecurities before they impact your marriage. Own your emotions. We can't control external circumstances, but we can control our reactions. Choose to respond calmly and rationally, rather than letting emotions dictate your behavior. Building a lasting legacy. These strategies, knowledge, consistent effort, unwavering commitment, and personal responsibility are essential for building a strong marriage. Remember, it takes time and dedication. There will be bumps along the road, but with open communication and these tools, you can build a love that endures.